Today I share with you a tiger nut drink recipe that you will love. As I continue with this video, I'll also be sharing with you tiger nuts benefits. Now you're watching this and you're thinking, okay, I think I've seen this drink on this cooking channel. It looks like some of the other drinks you've seen on this channel, but no, they're not the same. I know you've seen this. This is KUNU. KUNU is made with millet, yes, but it's not tiger nut drink. Also, here is another lookalike. This is LAMUGIN. LAMUGIN is also called spicy rice drink because it is made with rice. Here is another drink that looks like tiger nut drink. Right here is Zumkum. Zumkum is a spicy millet drink made with millets. The taste is completely different from KUNU, but it's not tiger nut drink. Here I have my dried tiger nuts and I will proceed with showing you how to make tiger nut milk drink. First thing to do is to clean the tiger nuts properly. You must clean your tiger nuts properly. Whether you're using dry tiger nuts or you're using fresh tiger nuts, you must clean your tiger nuts properly. Especially if you're using dried tiger nuts. Why? Because dried tiger nuts are somehow more dirty than the fresh tiger nuts. Yes, I believe it's because of the drying process. Most times tiger nuts are dried in the sun, and you know when sun drying is actively taking place, you have the dust and other things blowing on the produces that are being dried in the sun. So I guess that is why, you know, dried tiger nuts are really dirty. Take a look at the water. You can see how dirty this water is. Yes, and I'm going to continue to clean this tiger nuts as many times as possible until the water is clear. If you've watched this video to this point, don't forget to like this video, leave your comment, share this video, and of course subscribe to this channel. Oh, it makes me very, very happy. And let me say this, when you try this recipe, I love it when you come back to this video and just leave a comment on what you think about the outcome of this recipe. I will go on to clean this tiger nut as many times as necessary, like I said. And while I'm cleaning, let me explain some of the benefits of tiger nuts. So here is one benefit of tiger nut. Tiger nut is rich in magnesium. What does magnesium do? The magnesium in tiger nuts supports healthy immune system. It also helps to maintain a steady heartbeat. It helps us strengthen our bones. It helps to regulate blood sugar. It helps to support muscle and nerve functions, as well as it helps with digesting protein. Anyway, I have washed these tiger nuts several times and it is time to soak them in clean water. I'll be soaking these tiger nuts for 24 hours in clean water. This is so that I would help my blender. Why? Because I'm not using a high powered blender, so I need my tiger nuts to be softened a little bit, or to be as soft as it should be. Take a look at it. You will notice that these tiger nuts look more plump. Yes, it looks more fresh than it was while I was cleaning. Yes, it's because this is after 24 hours and it has absorbed enough water. It is also soft enough for me to blend with my blender. I just added some water and it's time for blending. I'm going to blend all the tiger nuts to this texture. Let me show you what it looks like. Just hold on, okay? I'm going to show you what it looks like. This is what it looks like, and I'll proceed with extracting the tiger nut milk and separating it from the chaff. But first, let's do a little bit of cleaning, okay? So let me show you what the bowl of tiger nut mixture looks like, because this is not milk yet. I'm yet to extract the chaff. Okay, let me pour just this last jug into it. Now we're ready to extract the tiger nut milk drink, and for this I have a big bowl here and a cheesecloth. I'll put the cheesecloth in the bowl properly. I'll ensure that the cheesecloth sits properly in the bowl, and then I'll go on to pour the tiger nut mixture into the cheesecloth. While you watch this video, like I would always say, don't forget to like this video, leave your comment, share this video, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I have so many Nigerian food videos for you. I have so many Nigerian cooking videos for you on this channel that you will love, and that is why I think you need to subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much. Now it's time to extract the milk from the chaff. Actually, at the point of doing this voiceover, I realized that there is a easier and simpler way to extract the milk from the chaff or to separate it. And that way is in one of my videos on how to make yellow pap. If you watch that video, you will see how I drained the water from the pap. That should have been what I would have done here, but I guess on this particular day I was feeling like one of the strong soldiers of the Lord. Anyway, I'm done extracting the milk and it's time to put my Tigernut milk drink in a bowl or bottles. These bottles have been properly cleaned and sterilized. I've been drinking some in a cup anyway, but the reason why I'm putting the excess in these bottles is for ease of storage, so that I can easily store them in my fridge or in my freezer. As you would know, this drink is a little bit raw, which means that it can spoil easily, so it's better to store immediately in your fridge or in your freezer. Now let me continue with some of the benefits of Tigernut. There are so many Tigernut benefits that you should know. As a woman, you need magnesium in your body. Why? Because magnesium helps us women regulate the hormones in our body. So we need magnesium in our body. And this is one of the reasons why Tigernut is of immense benefit to us as women. And as men too, please take Tigernut drink. Also, Tigernuts are high in phosphorus, potassium, vitamin C. I know you're thinking, okay, but isn't it a little bit fatty? Yes, Tigernuts are high in healthy monosaturated fats. So the fats in Tigernuts are actually good for you. When I'm done with putting all the Tigernut drink or milk in the bottle, I'm simply going to put these bottles of drink immediately in my fridge. Why? Because I want it to be in the best condition ever. Here is also another thing. Tigernut milk drink is good for everybody. Like, your child can have it, your mom can drink it, your grandmom can drink it. Oh, I made a mess. Well, that is why I have the tray underneath, so that it is easy for me to clean up any mess that I make. And I think you need to do this as well. Whenever you're working with anything that is liquid, just try to put something underneath so that it's easier for you to clean the mess. Here are the bottles of Tigernut drinks that I have made, and I'll be putting these bottles in my fridge. Like I said, I'll also be drinking some, and that one in the cup is what I'll be drinking. Tigernut drink is delicious. It is lovely. By the way, even if you have sweet tooth, please don't put sugar in this one. Don't put sugar in this one. Thank you for watching. Remember, good food should be enjoyed always.